guys can see, I have packed all my stuff.
To be honest, I did not sleep at all the whole night. I don't know why.
The only thing I do is
Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Vitsu and I hope you all are doing great. Guys, as you can see, I have chopped my hair really very short. There are three main reasons to why I chop it off. First is that my hair were really very frizzy and there were lots of split ends in my hair, and also I tried using different products but it was not working it, so I chop it off. And the second thing is that I have always kept my hair long in my entire life. I have never kept this short. So I tried, I thought of keeping different styles. So this is also the reason. And third is that I wanted a fresh look. Like, I feel like this hairstyle looks fresh on me.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
And it's like this short hair is really trending these days. What? So this is the main reason why I kept it short. And now, as you guys can see from the thumbnail itself, I am going to Kochi for my layover, and also I'm gonna show you of how a day in the life of a cabin crew is. So keep on watching till the end. Guys, let me just pack all these things in this toiletry bag. As you guys can see, I have packed all my products and all set in this toiletry bag. Oh, one thing I forgot to take, my face wash. Let me quickly go and get my face wash. So this is the face wash which I use. I forgot to take it. As you can see, the timing it's 4:23. I have to get ready for the flight. So yes. Hello everyone, once again. Guys, to be honest, I did not sleep at all the whole night. I don't know why. I was not able to sleep. I have watched Big Boss and after that I was not sleepy at all. And Karanveer Mehra, my favorite contestant, has won Big Boss 18. So guys, I did not sleep at all. I was not sleepy. So I'll just get ready and show you. So guys, I just prepared tea for myself. After drinking that, I'll go. It's 4:39 and after that I'm gonna get ready. You guys can see I have packed all my stuff. Now it's time for me to get ready, do my makeup and wear uniform and go for flight. See you! Just did my face wash. Now I'm gonna apply some skincare products for my face because it's very important for a cabin crew to maintain their skin. First thing I'll apply is toner. After toner, I apply serum. These products are all from Oriflame. I believe in Oriflame products. I don't apply much, just a little. This is the one. After this, I apply this hydrated day cream, which is really good for your skin, so that your skin is not that dry. So inside the cabin, mostly like our skin gets dry, but because of this product, I feel like my skin is always hydrated. And last but not the least, my face cream. That's it. And yeah, also the lip gloss. Those products which I have used is all from Oriflame. To moisturize your lips. Good for your lips. Oh, and also not forgetting this cream for your hands. And also the smell is extremely, this is one of my favorite. Because of that reason I use Love Potion perfume. This is like just wow. So guys, I'll be wearing cardigan because it's really cold here in Bangalore, so I'm gonna wear this. I don't like wearing big one, the coat, so because of that I only wear cardigan, which is so comfortable. I have to take this another pair of stockings because for a cabin crew we need extra, just in case if our stockings get leather or something. So for that, let me just put on my makeup now. Mascara. Lipstick from the Beauty. So this is the perfume which I'm gonna apply. This is from Love Potion. It is really very good. The smell is so nice. Got ready and leaving. After reaching the hotel, buffet was going on, so we ate breakfast there. Breakfast, wow. Going for another round. So after reaching the hotel, the only thing I'll do is this. The view of Kochi. Guys, quick room tour. Washroom. This is my bed for 2 days. And the view, guys, looks so good. So this is how my outfit looks like. I am wearing everything which is matching with the dress. Now I'm wearing like this. Later I'm gonna change. My colleague and I both decided to go to the beach, so we were heading towards there.
Yeah, it looks pretty.
We are going to the beach now.
And even she's vlogging. But we don't know where to go. The car is there. Somewhere to go to the beach. Somewhere to the beach.
I can hear some waves. Let's take this and go. पूछना पड़ेगा. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very excited. I cannot wait to see the beach.
Yes. Oh wow, I saw too. Oh my god, it's way too big, yeah, the waves. Thank you. कहाँ चला गया? Oh. It's fine. क्या कर सकते हैं? Oh my god. ये क्या है उसका नाम? Ostrich. नहीं. क्या बोला तूने? पानी चिड़िया. Oh my god, see the waves. It's so pretty. Guys, this place is Beach Road Kochi. This is really very pretty, and if you guys visit Kochi, please do visit this place. It is absolutely beautiful and mesmerizing at the same time. You guys will really love it. It was such a good time there in the beach, and I will recommend you guys to please do visit this place.
I'm leaving. We're going back to our hotel. We'll just go and have our dinner and we'll sleep.
Yes, I'll sleep.
Yes. Heading back to our hotel. We'll sleep. And after that, we'll go for flight tomorrow. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.
My colleague is an influencer and she knows how to use the app, so she was just letting me know how to use
Go to the
it.
YouTube. You have to search that how to make
Okay.
best edits
Okay.
through CapCut for the vlogging.
Okay.
They will give you step wise. Okay. But if you ask me, I mainly do it from CapCut only. But my methods are obviously different because I'm a dancer. But as you are a vlogger, you should never choose in short.
Is it?
Never.
Okay.
It degrades the quality. But yeah, you should always go for CapCut.
Okay.
There are lots of templates and a lot of transition moves and all. So
Thank
yes.
you. I'll take it into consideration
Yes.
and I'll make sure that next YouTube video is like wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much for this idea.
Thank you so much. You have the talent, why don't you work on it? Because the way you are doing the videography
Okay.
and what to say, what else? The photography and all, it's very rare. People does not have this kind of skills. So if you have, go for it, polish it more, and then you got a sweetheart.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Flattered much. Can't even say anything, but she's so pretty and very cute.
Oh my God.
She is Moana from this thing. What's the movie
I don't
name?
know.
Even I don't know.
I never saw the movie.
What you gonna have?
I don't know, I'm just seeing the options.
So this is our seat. My god, we don't have cutlery. First bite. All these food items, oh my god. I'm gonna have one from all this. Wow, I'm gonna definitely have this coconut burfi. So pretty. Guys, I'm gonna have this coconut burfi. We're gonna take a shower and sleep.
We have 3 sectors to operate, so that's it, guys.
Wow, such pretty place. Oh, this one is so pretty. Wow, so cute.
If you guys are in Kochi, please do visit this banana chips shop. It is really very tasty. You guys will absolutely love it for sure. I took one for myself as well. So we have reached Chennai and she forgot this bag. Reached the hotel. This is the room for today. Just woke up now, guys, and I am feeling extremely tired. You can see from my eyes. Tea for myself, and I'm gonna have this with this view. It was such a good time of 3-day pattern, and I had a good time with my colleagues. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my videos. Bye.